Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing how to activate fake call in Android and how to make a fake call log. This will let you schedule a fake call in your phone to rescue yourself from any awkward situation. First open Play Store and then search for fake call. Tap on the fake call app with the most rating and install the app. After the installation is complete, add the fake caller name and number 2 to make it seem legit. Now you can set a timer for the call to receive a fake call anytime you want. After you hit done, you will be receiving a fake call on your phone. Tap on History on the app to go to the fake call log in your mobile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.